म्हापसा येथील बस स्टँड येथे चाललेल्या अवैध पार्किंग आणि इतर बाबींमुळे येथे येणाऱ्या प्रवाशांना अनेक समस्यांचा सामना करावा लागतोय। या कारणासाठी वाहतूक प्रशासन व त्यासंबंधी खात्याच्या प्रशासन अधिकाऱ्यांकडून बस स्थानकाची पाहणी करण्यात आली। या स्थानकात समस्या आहेत हे मान्य करताना त्या सोडवण्यासाठी दर आठवड्याला संबंधित विभागाचे अधिकारी भेट देऊन पाहणी करतील अशी माहिती यावेळी देण्यात आली।
And today joint inspection has been finalized by the collector under the district road safety council, and this is part of the compilation that is going to the road safety committee of the Supreme Court. No, so the proposal basically is that they go this way. So what happens that roundabout, this obstruction which is taking place here.
Because that side is the footpath is there.
No, that is okay. See, that will have to be decision finally of the collector.
Yeah.
But the point here is that when a bus comes out, he cannot take a turn here.
Yeah, right. Now it is a joining one way. When we suppose if you make exit.
No, here only.
Then that way also it will be obstructed.
No. It is here only. It is coming out here. See what we are talking about, moving this out. So there is a round. Instead of coming like this, see how he has to take. He has to take a full turn.
There is a way to take this.
No. Our point is the bus which has to go out. We only are talking about this obstruction. We are talking about a round. That is to make it convenient for the bus to turn. This is meant for.
That shade.
No. हे आता कचरा उडायचा न्हू. आता पळय. Just you look here. You just see the condition here. No, what is the purpose? Because see, people are leaving the bus stand, and bus stand by सत्ताना त्यांका जे वास येता न्हू. This is it's unacceptable. So either it is given charge to someone.
Yeah. Municipality has to.
Actually, in process, municipality has to leave.
See, this is has to be open space for the public to go inside. No? So this is what I am saying. Unless the toll-free person should be responsible, or you can keep one security person with the power to remove him.
Power but security ऐका ना ते.
No, like clamp. You can.
Yeah.
You make an arrangement with traffic police, no?
We'll make it right.
But see what happens here. If one senior citizen fall down, he will move.
Vehicle दिला पुढे.
He will move on.
Sir, आम्ही हे
Electric vehicle एक तिथं टेम्पो येतात.
No, but first of all, हांगा कितें आहा न्हू, तुमची सायनेज पयली येवपाक जाय. That is a no parking zone.
There are the signage.
No. See. That signage, that signage is not by any notification. Signage you have to put by notification. See, when you say no parking, it doesn't mean it will be
No parking. This is the bay for the.
So you declare that as a bus bay, and therefore no parking. Where is this no smoking board? License not displayed and no smoking. Huh? Patron, tu patron? Patron tu? Quem é baba? Patron tu? Send your one inspector here. Nelson? Ask him.
Display का copy एक display का बरेला मरे license to be displayed
एक बोलो वो कबर्ड कब साफ किया तुमने? वो अंदर का कबर्ड कब साफ किया? हाँ? कब किया? अंदर कब किया साफ? खाने का सामान रखता है इधर ना, देख तुम्हारा कवर्ड देख।
बिल रखना पड़ेगा और इसको लेबल चाहिए।
उसको लेबल, इसका लेबल किधर है? हाँ, कितना भी रेट
ये निकालो।
कौन करता है? कौन सा गटर में करता है? हाँ, बाहर से वो ही बोलता है ना, कौन सा गटर से लाता है तुम वो? अरे बाबा, see, this is your jurisdiction now. What is this? See, he's a free for all. He doesn't even know from where this is coming. Civil supplies, huh? Just take note. Food items are being sold here without label, without name, nothing, date, kinda. He does not know, and he's not displayed the license also. See, they are. हांगा गिरायकाक तुम्ही कब्जा करूंक ना गिरायक हांगा येयल्या बस स्टँडाक लागून तुम्ही त्यांचे एडवांटेज घेता हांगा, हे सारखे न्हू. हांगा कोण निकोल करता न्हू, त्याने पान पट्टीचे काय क्लियरली करूंक ना, धुवंक ना, काय ना. And if you come in the night, no, you can see what is going on here. That's why I said this becomes a place for everybody, including animals. See, we have to understand that this bus stand has to serve people. So what is the idea? Do this inspection, no? You make a note. There are open spaces, no? How to keep them clean. This put it somewhere else and make this full area for sitting. आता हांगा बसपाचो जागो आमचो गेला. Look at the number of benches. They are not enough. बसपाक नको. Senior citizens जागो demarcate करूंक ना. आता already collector has issued an order. One place should be demarcated for sitting of senior citizens and disabled persons. Taka wheelchair person हाडून थंय करे. No, you demarcate where the senior citizens will sit and where the disabled people will sit. फोटो काय किसका लाइसेंस है?
रवि लता।
हाँ,
रवि लता।
तुम कौन है?
काम के लिए।
हाँ,
काम के लिए।
तुम्हारा सैनिटरी कार्ड है?
हाँ।
दिखाओ सैनिटरी कार्ड।
आधार कार्ड है।
आधार कार्ड ना बाबा, सैनिटरी कार्ड. तुम खाना प्रिपेयर करता ना, अर्बन हेल्थ सेंटर का सैनिटरी कार्ड है? See, he is not displayed. Now he has removed it from there. None of these people. You see. You see the condition of his license also. अरे तुम कौन है इधर? तुम कौन है?
काम के लिए सर।
हाँ, किधर ऑर्डर है काम के रखने का? इधर तुम्हारा ऑर्डर है? तुम कौन है? तुमको काम इधर करने का किसका ऑर्डर है?
सर काम के लिए।
कौन रखा तुमको इधर? हाँ, मालिक का कुछ लेटर है?
वही लेटर है रवि लता मैडम।
हाँ,
ये रवि लता मैडम।
ये तुम्हारा फोटो नहीं है ना?
मेरा नहीं, रवि लता।
तुम कौन है? See, how can anybody can run this place? He has to have authorization, Baba. Tomorrow he will sell drugs also. How are you going to stop him? See, he will go on showing this lady. How we know if this lady is not kidnapped and kept in some house and he is running it? Very simple, no? That is what is happening. What is happening in Goa is precisely this. That is the loophole. You ask him his name, he got any sanitary card. What is his authorization to be here? He has no authorization. It's very simple.
हजरत अली।
ना ओनर म्हण हांव ओनरा घरा वतलो ना हांगा आसपा जाय मरे. Come here, one inspector come here. Nelson, send one here, send the other one here. अरे बाबा सांगपाची गरज ना, तुका लायसन्स हांगा आसपा जाय. कायदो खबर आहा मरे, तूं पळय मरे कायदो कितें आहा ते. Ask him where is the license. As long as he does not have a license, this is an unauthorized place. It's because these type of enclosures can keep the stock of gutta here. See, if these type of enclosures are removed, nobody can store any material here. See them? This is a clear sign to store material.
No, this will encroachment. This encroachment.
इसलिए तुम 10 रुपया का टिकट निकालता है, पहला ही 5 रुपया नहीं बोलता है, 10 रुपया। रेड कार्ड किधर है?
रेड कार्ड अंदर में होगा ना।
किधर अंदर? किधर तुम्हारा घर किधर है? रेड
घर पे
कार्ड
नहीं, सेठ के पास होगा ना।
हाँ, सेठ के पास। तो मैं सेठ के पास जाने का बोलेगा 5 रुपया 10 रुपया, उसके बाद तुमको देने का पैसा। अच्छा है रे तुम्हारा काम। ठीक। So these are totally illegal. This contract has to be cancelled by you. This will go to Supreme Court. I'm telling you. This will go to the consumer court also, because you are exposing the senior citizen to this type of people. You tell me, what is his ID? Who is this guy? He says his name is Pappu. क्या रे बाबा? तुझ्या आम बस स्टँडवर येवप एक पप्पूकडे उलोवपाचें कांयच ना मरे कडेन. No dress, nothing. As per the contract, he has to wear a uniform. He can be the boss or boss's father. We have no problem. The laws are very clear. See, I am only telling you what will happen after your officers will have to sit in junta house. म्हाका काय प्रॉब्लेम ना. 2-2 वरां तुमी कोर्टान बसचे पडटले. म्हाका काय प्रॉब्लेम ना. Because I am trying to avoid this litigation. See, once litigation starts, no, your time is wasted there. That is why I don't want the. Personally, we don't want Consumer Protection Act to be followed in the courts. We want to be followed by the simple procedures. अरे
हे जे सगळें आसा पळय
आता तुम्ही बॅरिकेड घातले.
आमी घातलेले मुद्दम वयता
हा, मुतोंग वयता आनी मुतना मरे. आता करता कितें थंय?
करता म्हणजे
अरे पळय मरे कचरो.
जाणा आमचे
मागीर
रातचे
तुम्ही भाजी विकता मरे.
रातच्या टायमार उडयता.
तुका एक मिनिट तुका खबर आहा आता अर्बन हेल्थ सेंटर तुका शोकोज नोटीस काडटले अंडर पब्लीक हेल्थ एक्ट. कायदो पळय मरे, कायदो तुम्ही भाजी विकता मरे लोकांक.
आणि हे बॅरिकेड्स काढ.
हा?
बरोबर. हां आमी सगळ्यांचे बॅरिकेड्स काडटले.
तुम्ही बॅरिकेड घालता जाल्यार बॅरिकेड कित्याक घालता ते पळय मरे. जाता कितें सगळे उडयता कचरो.
हांगा मातशी ते
नाल्यार एक काम करा, तुम्ही तो काढा आणि फाटी ते कया.
पात्रों को कब्जा किया. पात्रों को कब्जा किया. इधर आया और बैठा इधर. अरे बाबा, पात्रों तुम कौन है? बोलो. हाँ, इस जूस में मक्खी कितना डालता है? ये जूस में 20 रुपये में मक्खी कितना मिलता है? वो बोल लो. हाँ? मक्खी नहीं. अरे वाह, मक्खी नहीं. Nelson, come here. All are waiting for you. बैठ. पात्रों कडे हा म्हणटा तो. आज की मूवी थी.
काम करायचं पत्रा किधर है?
पांचरंग पंजी अभी आया था।
अरे तुम कौन है यार बाबा? तुम्हारा आईडी किधर है? तुम्हारा आईडी किधर है? किधर से है तुम? यूपी से. तुम यूपी से इधर 20 रुपया का नींबू हमको देता है बस स्टैंड में. अच्छा, विदाउट लाइसेंस.
लाइसेंस नहीं है ना, बंद करो.
लाइसेंस पांचरंग
नहीं,
कुमार
अभी दिखाया नहीं.
Nelson, shut it down because this is going to the Supreme Court. Huh? I'm telling you.
बंद करो.
चल अंदर ले.
Required for the people at the bus stand, no doubt about it. But we cannot have some tappu who has no हे मरे. आले कितें आहा? कोण दुयेंस जालो कोणाक विचारतलो? हां?
लायसन होल्डर आहा पळय ताका.
These are Dindayal मरे. Dindayal this is government of Goa scheme under handicraft पळय मरे. बोर्ड आहा मरे तेजे. How can one Pappu sit in this Dindayal program? I cannot understand.